Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I am here with a product review for Mermaid Oasis Boutique that is owned by Ali Grobatine. And what I'm here today, I did this about a month ago. And I wanted to show y'all, I still have that much of it left. It's like right up to here. Okay. And this is a great product. I love it because it doesn't leave my hands dry, cracking, or anything like that. It is made with distilled water, castle soap, organic vegetable glycerin, organic jojoba oil, organic liquid, aloe vera, and essential oils that thrives in peppermint oil. Now, it is a foaming soap, so when you pump it, I usually take just one pump, put a little bit of water in it, and rub my hands together, okay? And it worked well for me, and I have super, super sensitive skin, and this is all organic stuff. So, when I was asked to give it a whirl and give it a try, I said, let's go for it, you know? So, um, here's the name of the company. If I can get it to, let me see. Can I get it? Let me zoom it in so y'all can see the name of the company and everything. It's not too clear. I don't know what's going on. So, this is the best I can do for the company name. I will try to link it. I don't know if she has a website or not. So I will try to link what I can find in the comment section of this video. And also, do give this a try. I don't know if she has it up on her website yet, but y'all can check it out and see. Like I said, it is made for super sensitive skin, and I have the most sensitive skin that I know. It is a pump bottle, and I've been using this for about a month and a half, and I did a review on it, I think a couple of months ago. I'll try to link that in the comment section and in the iCat somewhere up here. Okay. So, right above, right there. I'm going to try to put the iCat in there. Okay, if I can find the video of when I first, the two videos when I introduced the product and when I did my 1 month review. Okay, so I want to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content or when I go live. So I will say this in closing. Please be blessed, be crafty, stay crafty, be safe, stay safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.